I've had 2 weeks of placement now and they've both been pretty amazing, I must admit. The only problem, to be honest, is the language barrier, because some nurses don't speak any English at all or very little, and so I just kind of have to make do with points and thumbs up, thumbs down, that kind of thing. So you get used to it, but it can be quite difficult, especially if I'm circulation nurse, where all the other nurses are scrubbed in and can't really get things, so they have to ask me for what they want, and if they can't say it in English it can be quite difficult sometimes, and it's kind of go to your left, go to your right, one up, one down, but we get there eventually and it's not so bad, to be honest. Apart from that, placement is absolutely fantastic. I'm having an amazing time. Every day I go in they ask me where I want to go, whether it's plastics, orthopaedics, gynecology, ophthalmology, and it's great. But it can be quite difficult because wherever you go there's going to be different equipment, and when the patient goes in, setup's slightly different, and it can be a bit difficult with trying to remember how different nurses do everything, because they all have their own way of doing things. So it always seems as if I'm doing something wrong every day, but you just kind of get over it, get used to it. You're the student, it's what happens sometimes. But it's great, I couldn't have asked for a better placement. I'm really enjoying it. The other students are nice, although I never seem to see them much because it's only one student per theatre. But all the nurses are really nice, they're always chatting, and they'll ask me about Scotland. All the time I get asked, are you from the Highlands? It's what they seem to know about it. And do I wear a kilt? They always ask me, do I drink whiskey? It's good fun though, it's a bit of a laugh, and we talk about like things to do in Belgium. So like this weekend I went away to Maastricht to a carnival, which I heard about from one of the nurses. I've done another video for that, so if you see it, it was pretty good fun. A lot of drinking was involved and dancing and just acting like a bit of a lunatic. It was great. And so things are going well here, to be honest. I'm liking the accommodation. Everyone here is really nice. We're going out at weekends and in the evenings. The only thing I've not done yet is gone to the laundrette, because it's a wee bit of a distance and it costs quite a lot, so I've been waiting till I really need to go. But apart from that, everything's fine. I'm having a fabulous time. If anybody wants to come to Erasmus Exchange, just do it, because you'll regret it if you don't. Obviously there's ups and downs, but you get that with everything. And yeah, I'm loving it. Belgium is fantastic. I'm also doing Dutch classes. Actually, I'm doing that 2 times a week for 3 hours on a Monday and a Wednesday. I'm doing it with some of our Scottish students and an American lad. It's good fun. It was a bit difficult my first week because I missed a week before. I didn't really know what was going on. Everything was in Dutch, but I got the hang of it last week, and it's off this week because everyone seems to be on holidays, and which is the students as well, which is great because it means I get to pick which theatres I want to be in, which is awesome. So I'll do that again in a week's time. I would get a diploma at the end of it, but unfortunately I'm leaving earlier than the exam is because I'm only here for 3 months. But it's good to know the language just in case I fancy coming back, which might be a possibility because I've got lots of jobs here and there's none in Scotland. But yeah, I'll keep you updated soon. Probably make my next video next weekend. I think we might be going to Liège for the market or something. But I'll let you know how things are going. But at the moment, everything's great.